Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Visual Studio Code, or VS Code. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable and how to use a handy little Visual Studio Code shortcut called Code. When you are working in the terminal, if you want to open up a directory in VS Code, you just have to enter in one little snippet and VS Code opens instantly. How cool is that? To check and see if Code. Is already enabled in VS Code, open the terminal, navigate into a folder or a project directory, type in the word code, C-O-D-E, space, and put a period. So that's code period or code. Just tap the return key, and if it says command not found, that means that code is not enabled in VS Code, and we need to do that next. Open Visual Studio Code. Go to the top menu, go to Help, and choose Show All Commands, or use the must-know keyboard shortcut Shift-Command-P. Now you're just going to type out code, and you're looking for the shell command Install Code Command in Path. So I'll click that. You're going to click OK, and now you need to sign in with your Mac OS password, or in Windows, it's going to ask you for your password for your computer. The shell command code successfully installed in Path. I'll click OK. I'm going to quit Visual Code. Now I'm going to open up this project folder in Terminal. A great little trick to open a folder up in Terminal directly. If you just right-click on a Mac, go to Services and choose New Terminal at Folder. That's going to open up Terminal, and you will see you are in that folder. Now you can see right here in Terminal that I am in the CBRAG directory, or the CBRAG folder. Folder and directory are the same things. I can also check by typing PWD, which stands for Print Working Directory, and that is going to confirm that I am in the CBRAG directory. If I want to look inside of the folder to see the contents, I can type ls, tap return. So now I can see everything that is in that folder. And let's say that I want to open this folder inside of VS Code. Well, before I knew about Code. What I would typically do is open up VS Code. I'd go to File, Open Folder, navigate to the folder, select it, and click Open. I'm going to close this folder that I just opened, and I'm also going to quit Visual Code. So Visual Code or VS Code is not open. When you are in a project directory or folder and you want to open it up in VS Code, all you have to do is type out code, C-O-D-E, space, put a period, tap return. VS Code opens up. There's the folder. I'm not sure why you would do it. But if you want to uninstall the Code. Function, go back to Help menu and choose Show All Commands, or just learn that keyboard shortcut Shift-Command-P. Type code. You can choose Uninstall Code Commands from Path. Click that. Click OK. Enter in your Mac password or your Windows password. Shell command code successfully uninstalled. So if you quit VS Code, if you're in a project directory, and you type code, space, period, or code. And you tap return, if it says command not found code, that means that the code path is uninstalled. To get back in the Cool Kids Club, Shift-Command-P to show all commands, type in code, choose shell command install code, click that. Click OK, enter in your password. Shell command code successfully installed in Path. Now, if I quit VS Code, and the only reason I'm quitting this is just to show you that it will open even when VS Code is completely shut down. So I'm in Terminal, type clear if you want to clear the terminal, just a little side tip. I'm in this Markdown Files folder or directory. Now I can just type in code, space, period, or code. Tap return. VS Code opens to that project, and now I can just start editing all of these Markdown files. If you use VS Code maybe to edit Markdown files or to edit an entire code base, when you are in Terminal and you want to open up something in VS Code, rather than going to VS Code and then opening the folder, simply open it right inside of Terminal by typing code space period or code dot type return. VS Code opens up to that directory. And that is how you install and uninstall and how to use the code dot command in VS Code. My name is Mike Murphy, your AI handyman. Cheers.